Hello guys, hello everyone, hello lovely students, how are you? Okay, hope you are doing well. For today we have some new topics. Are you ready? Let's get started. Dear kids, now I want to talk about a and an. A and an are articles. A and an are articles. O and piano thread article akan. Okay. A and an come before singular noun. A and an come before singular noun. O and pesh nawa taka kanyan. Okay, what are the singular noun? Nawa taka kanchin. Look at here. When we have only one apple, this apple is singular. كاتك مثلا يكسو مان هي يكسو singular واتتاكا تاك يعني يكدانا. Okay. Apple is singular. Or marker. We have only one marker. تنهايك magic مان هي. So it is singular. Is singular. We have only one ruler. تنهايك راستا مان هي كواتا it is singular. أمش singular تاكا. بلام أجر دو سو مان هبت ياخذ سيومان هبت أمانة ناتوانين بلين أم سيوانة تاكن أمانة كون they are plural أمانة plural واتت شندانة يكن إما بو ناوانا لين تاك كتنها يقدانا. Okay. Now look at here. We use an with those nouns that they start with A, E, I, U, O. إما أن بكارهينين لقل أو ناوانيا كبيك يقلم بيتانا دس بيكا واتا أقر ناوا كمان بيك يقلم بيتانا دسي بيكر دبو إما چي لقل بكارهينين أن. Okay? For example, an orange, an apple. An orange, an apple. We can't say a orange. We can't say a apple. Not one in play a orange or a apple. They fight together. They fight together. أجر لقل أو نوانع بكار بينين كبم بيتانا دسي بيكرتو شركن نابت. So we have to use an. بيوستا أن بكار بينين. Now let's go to a. We use a with those nouns that they start with these letters. إما a بكار هينين لقل أو نوانع كبم بيتانا دسي بيكرتو. واتهمو بيتكاني إنجليزي بيتقل معنا. Okay, now look at these examples. Look at these examples. Book. Book. يكي كلام بيتانا بيكي كلام بيتانا دسي بكردوا. So we have to say a book. A book. Okay, look at here. Cat. We have cat. Cat يشيكي كلام بيتانا. So we say a cat. A cat. Okay, now I want to give you some more examples. Let's take a look. Dear kids, now look at here. We use an with those nouns that they start with E, I, A, O, U. قلنا كانم إما أن بكار هنين لقل أو نوانيا كبإي ياخد I, يان A, يان O, yan you دسي بكردوا. Okay. An elephant. An elephant. Okay. An ice cream. An ice cream. Another example. An apple. An apple. Okay. An orange. An orange. An umbrella. An umbrella. Okay. أجر دي قدبا سير بكان تنها يكفي المعنى. We have only one elephant. كواتالنجي an elephant واتا فيلك واتا يكفيل. An ice cream واتا يك ice cream. Okay. Now repeat after me. An elephant. Excellent. An ice cream. Amazing. An apple. Excellent. An orange. Very good. an umbrella. Excellent, dear kids. We use a with those nouns that they start with one of these letters. ئێمە ئەبەکارەهێنین لەگەڵ ئەو ناوانەی کە بەیەکێک لەم پیتانە دەستی پێ کردووە. D, W, P, B, R, R again, P, T, B, C, P, and B. Okay. Now listen to me. A door. We have to say a door. We have only one door. تەنها یەک دەرگامان هەیە بۆیە ئەتوانین بڵێین a door. A door واتە دەرگایەک واتە یەک دەرگا. Okay. A window. We have only one window. یەک پەنجەرەمان هەیە. Okay. A pencil. A pencil. A book. A book. Okay. A ruler. A ruler. A rubber. A rubber. Okay. A pencil case. A pencil case. Okay. A train. A train. Train means guitar. Okay. A ball. Okay. A cat. A cat. A plane. Plane واتە فڕۆکە. Plane means فڕۆکە. Okay. We have only one plane, so we have to say a plane. And the last one, a bag. A bag. Okay. Now repeat after me. A door. A window. A pencil. A book. A ruler. A rubber. Okay. A pencil case. A train. A ball. A cat. A plane. And the last one, a bag. Okay, dears, now we have some exercise. Let's do it together. Dear kids, look at this exercise. Okay. Write a or an. سري ام exercise بكا على a ياخد ان بنوسا. لم بوشايانا بيوسا a يان ان بنوسي. Okay. What's this? ماتشيا. It's a bag. It's a bag. So we have to write a here. Okay. It was done. Let's go to the second one. And what's this? أي أمانشيا. It's an orange. It's an orange. Orange بأودسي بكرة. So we have to say it's an orange. So write an in this space. Okay, the third one. What's this? What's this? It's a book. It's a book. Okay, it's a book. We have to write a in this space. Let's go to the fourth one. What's this? What's this? It's an apple. It's an apple. So we have to write an. It's an apple. Let's go to the last one. And what's this? What's this? It's a pencil case. It's a pencil case. So we have to write a. It's a pencil case. It starts with P. Okay, dears. Now you can write them down, okay? Dear kids, look at here. We had this exercise, okay? We are going to write a and an before the nouns. exercise زمان هي أو أن أنوسين لبيش ناوكانا. Okay. The first one. Look at here. A train. It starts with T. But T دسي بكردوا. So we have to say a train. A train. Okay. What about this one? plane. It starts with B, so we have to say a plane. A plane, right? A. The third one, ball. Ball. Okay. We have to write a because it starts with B. A ball. Let's go to the fourth one. Umbrella. Can we say a umbrella? A umbrella? No, they fight together. We have to say an umbrella. An umbrella. أتواني بلين a umbrella? No, بيكو شركا. A لقل you, you, I, O, A شركات. So we have to use an. لبرو بيوس أن بكاربني. An umbrella. Okay. Look at here. Cat. It starts with C. So we have to say a cat. A cat. What about elephant? Elephant. Can we say a elephant? No. They fight together. We have to say an elephant. An elephant. Okay. Now you can write it down. Dear kids, now let's make a quick review. Okay, what letter is this? What letter is this? Is it letter D? No, it isn't. This is letter C. This is letter C. Capital C, small c. And the sound of letter C is K. The sound of letter C is K. K, K, cat. K, K, cat. Okay, another one. What letter is this? Excellent. This is letter A. This is letter A. Capital A, small a. And the sound of letter A is A. The sound of letter A is A. Apple. Apple. Okay, another one. What about this one? What letter is this? It has a big stomach. Excellent. This is letter D. This is letter D. Capital D, small d. And the sound of letter D is D. Dog. Dog. Okay. What about this one? What letter is this? Excellent. This is letter B. This is letter B. And the sound of letter B is B. The sound of letter B is B. Bag. Bag. Okay. Dear kids, today I'm going to be talking about a new letter which is letter E. Which is letter E. Today I'm going to be talking about the letter E. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. And the sound of letter E is I. The sound of letter E is I. Like elephant. Elephant. Okay, now we have some words that start with letter E. Let's take a look. Okay. استش شنوشك من هيا كبلتري إيدس بيكات بابيكو سيريام كين. Okay, the first one. E is for eagle. E is for eagle. Eagle, what a hello. Eagle means hello. Okay, look at this eagle. It is white, black, and yellow. White, black, and yellow. You can say, I hate an eagle. I hate an eagle. And if you love it, you can say, I love an eagle. I love an eagle. Okay. Now repeat after me. Eagle. Eagle. Okay. Another one. E is for earth. E is for earth. Earth, what is the V? Earth, what is the V? Okay. إما لسرها ساريك أجين بيلين زوي. Okay. We can say we live on earth. We live on earth. وقتا إما لسر زوي أجين. Okay. Now repeat after me. Earth. Earth. Excellent, dears. Now let's go to this one. E is for eat. E is for eat. Eat means shutwarden. Eat means shutwarden. Okay. This beautiful girl is eating a chicken. We can say I eat an apple or I eat an orange. وقتا من برتقالهم يعني سوهم. I eat a banana. I eat a banana. Okay. Now repeat after me. Eat. Eat. Excellent, dears. Now let's go to another one. E is for exercise. E is for exercise. Exercise وقتا راهنان كردن يعني مشق كردن. Another one. Okay. E is for echidna. E is for echidna. This animal is called echidna. This animal is called echidna. Okay, do you love an echidna? Excellent. You can say, I love an echidna. I love an echidna. Okay, now repeat after me. Echidna. Echidna. Excellent, dears. Another one. Letter E again. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Elephant means feel. Elephant means feel. What color is this elephant? It is gray and it has two big ears. It has two big ears. Do you like an elephant? Excellent. You can say, I like an elephant. I like an elephant. Okay, now repeat after me. Elephant. Elephant. Excellent. Another one. E is for egg. E is for egg. Egg means helka. Egg means helka. Egg is yummy. Egg is yummy. Helka batama. Okay, do you want to eat an egg? Excellent. You can say, I eat an egg. I eat an egg. وقتا من هلكاهم. Now repeat after me. Egg. Egg. Amazing. Another one. E is for number 8. E is for number 8. This number is called number 8. Did you study this number in math? أو جمعتها خندوا ولا بالكالية? Excellent. This is number 8. Okay. How many fingers do you see? Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Well done. Now repeat after me. 8. 8. Excellent. Another one. E is for ear. E is for ear. Begöchkale, ear. Okay. With my ears, I can hear. With my ears, I can hear. بگویه کان متوانم ببیستم. Okay, now repeat after me. Ear. Ear. Amazing. Another one. E is for number 11. E is for number 11. Number 11 is blue. Number 11 is blue. Okay, now repeat after me. 11. 11. Very good. Another one. E is for email. E is for email. Email is a kind of message that we send it via internet. Email جاري نامية كإيميل لرقي إنترنت أو إنيري. Okay, now repeat after me. Email. Email. Amazing. Another one. E is for eggplant. E is for eggplant. Eggplant means bainjan. Eggplant means bainjan. What color is this eggplant? أم بنجانة رنا. Indigo and green. This eggplant is indigo and green. And it is also smiling. It is also smiling. Now repeat after me. Eggplant. Eggplant. Excellent. Another one. E is for eye. E is for eye. Bachawalingchi, eye. Let me ask you a question. How many eyes do you have? Excellent. 1, 2. We have 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes. With my eyes, I can see. With my eyes, I can see. Now, repeat after me. I. Amazing. Another one. E is for elbow. E is for elbow. This bone is called elbow. We have a bone here. It is called elbow. Elbow. Okay, let me ask you a question. How many elbows do you have? 1, 2. So we can say I have 2 elbows. I have 2 elbows. Dear kids, now we have a nice song about the letter E. Let's take a look. Now I'm going to teach you how to write the letter E. Look at my hand, please. Okay, first of all, we have to draw a line from up to down, a small line at the top, a small line in the middle, and a small line at the bottom. Okay, another one, we have to draw a line from up to down, a small line at the top, a small line in the middle, and a small line at the bottom. Okay, this is capital E. This is capital E. Now look at the small one. We have to draw a small line, then letter C. It will be letter E. Okay. We have to draw a small line, then draw the letter C. Okay, this is letter E. Small E. Okay. I'm gonna clean it. Now take out your English notebooks, please. You should write the letter E in your English notebooks. Okay, look at here. This is capital E. This is small e, capital E, and small e. Okay. You should write the letter E to the bottom of the page. Okay, dears? You should write the letter E to the bottom of the page. Okay, dears? That was all about our today's lesson. If you have any question, you can ask. And bye-bye. See you.